Hello and welcome to today's video where it's going to be quick everyday makeup look, a little bit colorful on the eyes. So as you can see, I've done my eyebrows and cleaned them up, so I'm just going to set my eyelids. I'm using Pat McGrath powder in shade 3, and this is beginner friendly makeup just for every day. So I hope that you enjoy this makeup and subscribe and like the video so that you don't miss the next one. And for eyeshadow, since I want to do a colorful look, I'm going to use Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills. You can use any eyeshadow, it doesn't matter. I just wanted some color today. So this is how it's looking inside. And I'll just start with the transition. I'll use this shade here called Edge and just put that one all over my crease. I'm just using the same brush that I used to set powder with. This is super quick, and as you can see, I'm using just a big brush, fluffy brush. This is a Rafa number 16. Then with a smaller brush, this is number 14, Rafa. I'm taking this shade Pinker, and I just want to put that one in the inner corner. I'm just blending it towards the inner lid. I'm not going up on top, just keeping it in the inner corner there towards the center lid. Just like that. Then I'm taking another brush and I'm going into this purple shade, Big Wig. And I just want to put that one in the center. Then I go back with the other brush and just buff so that they are well connected and buffed in together. Same brush, I'm just flipping it on the other side and taking this shade Credit. It's a dark brown, and then put that one in outer V, just to create some dimension. Just like that, and then I go in with the first brush and just clean the edges. Then for shimmer, I want a purple look. I'll take this Shookington, the purple shimmer, and I just use my fingers and put that one in the center lid, just tapping it. Then I take the brush just to clean it up. Oh, I just took the shade Trust Issues. Then I'm just putting it in my inner corner. And I'm just connecting it into that purple shade there. Then what I like to do is take a flat brush and then just go back into that Trust Issue and blend it nicely in the inner corner so that we just have it seamlessly. You just need to be gentle and bring it up here. Do the same thing here. just to open up the eye. Then take the transition shade brush and just brush it. And there, that's our quick colorful eye shadow. Now what you need is a liquid liner. This is KVD in black, and I just line close to my lash line, and I just stop it over here because I don't go all the way in the inner corner. I just wanted that illusion that I have eyelashes. And I do the same thing on the other eye. So I'm happy with how eyes are looking. I'll just use a black mascara. And I really apologize if you can hear background noise. There is some construction going on. This is a Fenty mascara. I just want to leave my eyes there. I'll come back and finish when I'm done with the face. So as you can see, I have some fallouts of that shimmer. I just wipe it off. And then for primer, I'm using Danessa Myricks primer in Main Squeeze. I have dry skin, so I prefer glowy primers. Foundation, I'm using Forever Skin Glow from Dior. This is in shade 7N. It's my perfect shade. Then I just squeeze it on the palette. Just 2 pumps are enough. I just spray my brush with a MAC Fix. Then I just take excess on my hand. I just like to coat my brush nicely with the product, just like that, so that it's seamless. So foundation is blended. Then I'm using Pat McGrath concealer, shade 26 MD. I'm going to blend my concealer with a smaller brush. This is from Real Technique. Then what I like to do is go in with the foundation brush and just blend. I'm using Laura Mercier powder in shade Deep, medium. So remember, this is quick makeup. You don't need a lot of steps. So you need a powder that you can use under your eye and all over the face. I'm just tapping it on the cup. I just set my entire face. Then I just let that powder set as I finish my eyes. For my under eye, I'm going in with the purple eyeliner. This is from Smashbox. Then I go back in with the mascara for the second coat. Then I go in with the MAC mascara for my lower lash you don't need to do this. And I just gently comb my lower lashes. Then what I do, I take a big fluffy brush and just run it all over my face. Then I take finishing. I'm using Gala Meteorites in Compact. That's how it looks like. And I just swirl my brush. And just buff. So I just buff the finishing powder all over. So I'm going in with this Chanel face palette, and this is in Deep Mauve. And that's how she looks like. So I just take this brush and then go into the bronzer. Then I take a smaller brush and go into blush here. And then I just use same brush and go into the highlighter. I just put that on there. It's not actually a highlighter, it's more of a blush on me. Our face is nicely done. I'm going back with the big powder brush and buff my face. And you want to do this because otherwise you might have harsh lines here and here where you see where the bronzer starts and finishes, where the blush ends. Those harsh edges, you want to brush them off. It's nice to use a big fluffy brush. Just take a fan brush. Then this is a Dior highlighter brush in pure gold or 003. I just go into it. I don't really choose any shade. Then, okay. You just take a blush brush and go on top of it. Powder brush. Then for the lips, I'm using this mauve lip liner. And then I'm using Hourglass. So friends, this is our finished look. This is my version of quick, colorful makeup, beginner friendly. So I hope you enjoyed. This is how it turns out. I hope that you enjoyed this look and that you subscribe, and see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like. See you.